Hey everyone, happy 4th of July. I'm here with a new baby that you have not seen. This is Maggie. Maggie is the Blake Asleep Kit by Bountiful Baby. And the family and I are getting ready to go to a fireworks show tonight. Tonight is July 3rd actually. And we thought we'd bring little Maggie with us. Maggie arrived home a few weeks ago, actually right before baby Zachary, who I will show in a few minutes. But first, I really want to get this cutie dressed in her 4th of July outfit. So for Maggie, I have a white onesie with little stars on it. So very cute. And I have these denim pants. I thought those would go really cute together. And then we needed some red. So I got a little red bow headband that I thought would be really cute. And then this baby takes a pacifier, so I thought I'd do this clear one. I didn't really have any others that would match her little outfit, so we're gonna use that for her. Okay, time to get her dressed. She looks so cute. Okay, you guys, so before we head over to the fireworks show, I really want to show you guys baby Zachary because he is in a really cute outfit today too. Here's baby Zachary, and he is in his little 4th of July outfit. So adorable. It says my first July 4th with a little heart flag. I just love this. I love the sleeves, and on the pants they have the stars and the stripes. So cute. So I would take this guy with us, but he is silicone, and you know, it's like at least 105 degrees here where I live in the valley, so I don't really think it's a good idea for me to be taking him out right now. But I just wanted to show you guys him because he is so adorable in this little outfit.